Hi everyone, I'm Elliot Tabush, Product Manager for Boxtop. Today I'm going to show you how to print to your home printer from being logged into Boxtop. So first thing you want to check is to make sure that your printer at home is installed properly on your computer. Now it doesn't matter if it's a plugged-in printer or Wi-Fi printer, it just has to show up in here with your printers. So in this case I'm going to demo using my home color printer. So next thing I'm going to do is log into Boxtop using the VMware Horizon client. Now you could only use this feature from the installed Horizon client. You cannot do it through the HTML access. So I'm going to log in here, put in my username and password, and then I'm going to open a Microsoft Word document, one that I would like to print from. So in this case, I'll just put in test information. And if I go to File, Print, you'll see in the drop-down list, I have my home color printer here listed. Now, I didn't have to do anything to install it. It automatically redirected when I logged in from my home computer. That's all I need to do. So you just choose that printer, hit print, and it'll send it to your computer and then out to the printer. That's all.